What's up guys, Joey here, Fugatech, and Vivo is mostly known for their V series and their Y series, but now we have something new, the mid-range S series, with the first member being the Vivo S1. This particular model right here is the global version, so instead of the Helio P70 chipset you'd be getting on the Chinese version, this one has a Helio P65 chipset. So taking a look inside the box, there's a smaller box that contains the free clear case and some paperwork. Then we have the S1 itself, a SIM ejector tool, the wall plug, micro USB cable, and a pair of earphones. It's a fairly large phone at 6.38 inches. What's really nice though is that the display is Super AMOLED and you get a resolution of 2340 by 1080. It does have a notch, but it's quite small, only containing the 32 megapixel front camera. However, we do get a pretty thick chin and side bezels by modern standards. Moving to the back, our unit here is in the Skyline blue color, which I like a lot. It's a gradient that goes from light blue to purple, but with more emphasis on the light blue. It looks clean and fresh, and even the sides look really nice. I'm sure this isn't actual stainless steel, but it's got a nice metallic blue finish on the aluminum. Here at the back, we find the triple rear camera module consisting of a 16 megapixel main shooter, 8 megapixel ultra-wide shooter, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor, which are accompanied by an LED flash. On the right side, we have the power and volume buttons, while on the left, there's the slot for the card tray that can accommodate 2 nano SIM cards and a dedicated micro SD card, plus a smart button that when pressed once will activate Google Assistant by default. And at the bottom, headphone jack, loudspeaker, microphone, and micro USB port. Which kinda bugs me because according to Vivo's marketing material, the S stands for stylish, and a micro USB port in 2019 is anything but stylish. Just a thought. Anyway, biometric security options available are face unlock and an in-display fingerprint scanner. Running the hardware show is, like I said, for the global version is a Helio P65 chipset with a Mali G52 MC2 GPU, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage. For battery, a 4500 mAh cell with support for 18-watt fast charging. For cameras, stay tuned for our full review to get the full scoop, but for now, check out these sample shots. The Vivo S1 is priced at 14,999 pesos and will be available in stores on September 7. And guess what guys, since this phone has a chipset that we haven't tested before, stay tuned for episode 20 of Kinet Game where of course we're going to announce the winner for the giveaway of our Xiaomi Mi 9T. So what do you guys think about the Vivo S1? Let us know in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon to know any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.